Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check this out. We have a little storage issue in this small bathroom we have. So we had this thing for a while. It's falling apart and I need to replace it. So I got this thing from Amazon. It's going to sit a little higher, but hopefully not too high because this is in the way. And hopefully it'll fit more stuff so we could get rid of some of this clutter, okay? So let me show you what I got. All right, guys, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to have 4 levels and some casters so you can move it around. Let's open up the box here. All right, guys, so this is the whole thing. It comes with the bigger piece and 3 other smaller pieces. These are all the same size. And then you have the top, okay? Some casters, some handles, and Chinese instructions, okay? So these little handles, they're gonna come on here and you're just gonna push them in place. Okay. The casters, once you get this guy together, this just unfolds, okay? Bottom part goes down. That's it. Bottom is ready to go. And these casters, you're gonna just put them in these holes, okay? Over here. Just push them in all the way until it gets to this part. So you have 4 holes and 4 casters, okay? These guys, they just unfold like that. Just snap in the back like that. That's snapped. And then this part snap in place. You have to play with it a little bit. There you go. Okay. So this part is gonna go on top of this part. Okay, so line up these things. There you go. Snap these in place. Flip it around. Push them in. Okay, the top is gonna snap in place the same way the other ones did. Okay, that took less than 5 minutes to put together. Pretty easy. If you want this to be shorter, you can always take off this piece and put the top here. Or if you want it to be taller, just buy another one of these and keep stacking them up as high as you want. To lock the wheels, you can lock them. Just push down on these guys. And it locks them up so it doesn't go too much. All right, let's put it upstairs and see what it looks like. All right, guys, that's what it looks like. It's not bad. I mean, it's a little flimsy, but it'll do the job. And what's good about it is it has the wheel so you can roll it out, clean behind it, and roll it back in. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.